Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping automotive innovations of the year, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand known for its record-breaking hypercars, has stepped into the world of luxury. Motorhomes, and what they've created is nothing short of extraordinary. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a masterpiece of design and aerodynamics. It combines the signature Bugatti front fascia, with its horseshoe grille and sleek LED lights, with a futuristic motorhome silhouette. Crafted from carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum, the body offers both performance and elegance. Low-slung stance, aggressive contours, and hypercar-inspired wheels give it a presence unlike any motorhome ever built. But it's what's inside that truly shocks the world. Step into the cabin, and you're transported into a luxury penthouse on wheels. The interior is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. A retractable 4K old wall display, ambient lighting inspired by the Bugatti Chiron's signature C-line, and a digital cockpit ensures the driving experience remains as exclusive as the brand itself. Move to the living quarters, and it only gets more impressive. You'll find a full-sized Italian-designed kitchen with smart appliances, a high-tech lounge with voice-controlled climate and lighting, and a panoramic roof that opens up to the stars. The living space seamlessly converts into a luxury cinema, complete with surround sound and reclining seats. The bedroom features a king-sized bed with adaptive suspension, ensuring restful sleep even on the move. Hidden compartments reveal a spa-style bathroom with rainfall shower, heated floors, and custom lighting scenes for relaxation. But here's the real twist. Underneath the rear deck lies a hidden compartment that stores a fully electric Bugatti scooter for city exploration, or a small, hypercar-style Bugatti quad. It's the ultimate companion for those who crave speed and luxury, no matter where they go. Powering this motorhome is a hybrid powertrain developed from Bugatti's performance line. Blending electric torque with V8 muscle, it delivers over 1,200 horsepower, making it the fastest and most powerful motorhome in history. And yes, it can hit 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds, if you ever dare. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in luxury travel, combining art, technology, and performance like never before. Thank you very much